Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build or export your game in Unity. I'm going through every single setting that you need to do to build your game inside of Unity. So also in the next video I want to show you how to make an installer for the game. So yeah, to start up we need to go to File, Build Settings, or just press Ctrl+Shift+B. It will pop up this window. And from here you can actually select on which platform you want to build. Right, there is Windows. From here you can actually change to Mac, Linux. There's WebGL, iOS, and some other, like there's also Facebook. Yeah, you can do that. And if you want to switch up to a platform, you just press switch platform. I have done it already, so and there will appear this Unity logo to where you select it. Now I want to build on Windows, so I'm going to select Windows, and this is 64-bit, this is 32-bit. Let's select 64 for now. Don't change anything of that. Now, developer builds allows you to see any errors while playing the game, but you don't really need that. Right now, we need to go to player settings to set up more our game and pop up a window. For me, it's pops up here. From here, you can actually set your company name. For me, it's Dimension Games. The product name, we can change that. It depends of your product, how you want your game to be named. The version, I want that to be 1.1, and the default icon, so the icon of the game. I selected that, and if you want to add a cursor, you can do so from here, but I don't really recommend that. I recommend doing that through script to follow and image the cursor, so that you can actually easily change your cursor through script. You cannot change that, but it's much easier, trust me, right? So let's go ahead into the first setting. It's the icon setting. Leave it as it is. Over here you can see the preview of some of the image in different sizes. For me it's 1024 by 1024. So let's close it off and let's go to resolution and presentation. By the way, if you see up here, I have all the platforms that I have downloaded. If you want to download a platform, a new platform, you select it and you go to open download page. It will download the installer, run the installer, and restart Unity to have this set up. So I just press that. That's just Windows, Mac, and Linux. This is for WebGL. So if you go to resolution presentation, you can see here what you want to do. I really recommend full screen modes, but you can do other, like maximize window. That is a maximize window. You can actually maximize that and minimize that. A window is just a window. You can see the resolution of the screen of the window, actually the screen width and height. But you can't maximize that. The default, I will set all that as alright with don't change anything. If you go to supported aspect ratios, you're gonna see what aspect ratios are supported, and you can actually deselect some of them or select them. I think 16:9 is Full HD or most of the screen. If you go to the splash screen image, you can see some of the settings are just gray, so you can't really select anything or change much. That's because you need to have the paid version of Unity Pro, which you need to pay, as I said. Press preview, you can see on the game view how splash screen is, or something like that. Hit preview. That's how my splash screen is right now. You can change the light or dark setting of like how you want the Unity logo to be. I have that to light. If you go with dark, it's like that. I don't really prefer that, so I'm going to go with lights. Animation, how the animation of the Unity logo will be. You can go to static, so there's no animation, just fading and painted out. Dolly, which is a bit of zooming, not much. And there's a custom, which I use. You can see as the logo zooms and the background zooms. You can see here, like if I change that to, I don't know, 0.4, it doesn't really zoom in much. If you go to the logos, you can see what you want the draw mode to be of the logos. I don't really use any logos. The logos are, you know, up here it's appears the logo of what you choose or something. Don't really use that, but you can do that if you want. You can set a spread, logo duration. Yeah, pretty much that. Now we're going to go to the background settings of this plus screen. You can select an image for the background. I just like to have a color. And you can do whatever you want. I select a color or background image either. This is a pro only feature. Let's go to the next setting. To other settings. I highly suggest leaving everything as is. Let's go to the XR settings. Here is actually for VR. So back to where we were. Over here, comparison methods to defaults. It works fine. And then we can actually hit build. So select the folder where you want your game to be located. I'm going to go ahead and make a new folder, call it like tutorial build, and double click on it and say select folder. Now Unity will automatically go through and build your game. When it's done, you should see on the console down here just saying the build has succeeded if everyone goes fine. And there we go. You should see in a sec appearing a message down there. No, yeah, there we go. A build completed with this result of succeeded. You saw that a folder appeared where and open up the folder that our game should be. There we go. So if we run it, we should see. Just take my volume down. Yeah, the game is working properly. So if you had any problems during all the steps, any of them, just write a comment down below. I will try to help you. Now you might say, hello, I want to I don't know, give my game to my friends and play that. So what you can do with that, as I said, first of all, on the next video, I'm going to show you how to make an installer free and easy with a third-party software, just very small software and easy to use. But for now, you can go ahead, right-click, and go to 7-zip zip or any other software for zip files that you're using. It's the same thing. And go ahead and go to add to whatever name that zip file is. So if you do that, there should be a zip file somewhere. There we go, down here, all tutorial builds or your name that you gave it. So you sent this thing to your friends, then they need to go right click, extract all, and just run the game from the folder that they extracted. So that's how to build a game in Windows or in any other platform. It works the same thing. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye.